Hello everyone and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. This week I just have a very quick little video to share with you the winner from last week's giveaway. I want to thank everyone who participated in the giveaway. It was so much fun reading through your comments and finding out what you guys are looking for at the thrift stores and things. I've got a small little list of items that I am now looking for myself because I'm thinking, oh, that's such a good idea. And it seems like a lot of you are on the lookout for vintage holiday. Mostly Christmas, but there's a lot of like Easter and Halloween items as well. So I think that is a fun thing to always be on the lookout for when you're at the thrift stores and such as well. So that was pretty fun for me to read through all your comments and see what you guys are looking for. I found that very interesting. So thank you for participating. So I am very pleased to announce that the winner of my giveaway is Paula Strug. I'm not sure if I said your last name right, Paula. I apologize for that. But if you could send me a quick little email, and I will get your information and I'll get your winnings sent off to you very, very soon. I am excited that you are the winner. This is so exciting for me to be able to share some of my lovely, wonderful treasures with you, and I hope you're excited as well. Thank you to everyone who participated. I wish I could give everyone a prize. But maybe I'll have to do this more often so I can spread the wealth around a little bit more. But anyways, thank you for participating. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and I will see you next week for another Thrift Store Thursday video. I'm not quite sure what kind of video I'm going to have next week because I'll be 1 week out from moving next week, if you can imagine that already. But there'll be some sort of video. So I hope you guys come back for that as well. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I'll see you next week. Bye now.